Welcome back, children. Welcome in your science lesson. Which lesson? Science class. Okay. Now, what we are going to start today, we are going to start a new unit, and that is unit number 5. Okay. But I'm not going to tell you the name of the unit. I'm going to show you some picture about it, and then we are going to discuss what the unit actually is about. Ready? All right. Now, can you see my screen here, class? Can you all of you see this? Right, right. Now, what is the picture about actually? What this picture is showing? This picture is showing different leaves, different color of leaves. You can see green, this is orange, brown, and then red. Now, again, in this picture, you can see a green leaf. You can see the different parts of the leaf as well. And here again, there are different types of leaves. That leaves are there of different shapes and different kinds, different types of leaves, right? Now that means, so what our topic is? Our topic is about leaves. Now, where do you find leaves actually? Where are these leaves? You can see these leaves in your garden. You can see it outside in any ground where there are plants, right? You can see leaves in forest and where there are big trees, big other big type of plants and all that. So leaves are on mostly they are on the in the garden, in the parks and all that, in the green area, right? So now I'm going to show you an edible video. Again, this video is of our school, our own school. Our school people have made this video. I want you to watch them later on once the class is over so that your video is saved for you and you can watch it later on. But what you are going to do for that? You're going to like that video, which is very important. Once you are going to like that video, it's going to be saved for you and you can watch it later on. Now let's see and watch what do we have in that video, actually what the video is all about. There you go. Can you see my screen, children? Yes? Great. Now let's watch it.
Leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Let's talk about few of them. Alder. Alder leaves are erect in shape and have a leathery touch, so it's not very soft. Then there is chestnut. Chestnut leaves comprise 5 to 7 pointed, toothed leaflets, so they're very sharp in the corner. Then there are oak leaves. Oak leaves have very deep lobes and smooth edges. Then we have the all famous maple leaf. The maple leaf is the characteristic leaf of the maple tree, also found in orange and red color. Beech leaf. Beech leaves are oval and pointed at the tip with a wavy edge.
Okay, so that was all about the video. Now, what did you see in the video actually? You have seen so many different types of leaves, right? And so many different colors of leaf as also. Now, actually, what is a leaf? A leaf is a flat green part of a plant. It's a flat and green part of a plant. But where does a leaf grow? Where will you find a leaf? You can see my leaf on the board. Yes. So where will you find this leaf? This leaf is going to grow on the stem, right? On the stem of a plant it's going to grow. Okay, so where the leaf is found? It's found on the stem of the plant, right? So you can say that there are very different types of leaf, but mostly leaves are of green color. Now, if you see your book page number 28 here, you will find a bunch of leaves, right? And it says a leaf is the flat green part of a plant, right? And here on the next page, it tells you it gives you actually a few information that all leaves grow on the stem of a plant. A leaf is the flat green part of a plant. The green color of a leaf is due to a colored substance that is called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is the green colored substance, and the green color of the leaf is because of that chlorophyll. Okay. So now it means that you know where a leaf grows. It grows on a stem. And what is actually a leaf? A leaf is a flat green part of a plant. And why this color is green? Because the color of green is due to the colored substance that is present on the leaf, and that substance is called chlorophyll. All right. So this is just the basic information right now that we are doing is only basic information about different types of leaves. That what is a leaf, where does it grows, and why the color of leaf is mostly green. Okay. Now I want you to open page number 32 of your book and do question number 1, part A, B, and C. There are 3 parts A, B, and C. And since there are 3 parts, so you are going to take some time in writing the answers. These are the questions which we have just now discussed about the leaf. They are very easy, they are not difficult at all, but still I'm going to give you 5 minutes time to do this task. Your time starts now. Time is up. Okay, now let's discuss what you have written. The first question, where do leaves grow? Remember, I've showed you the picture. I've discussed with you the picture. Where does a leaf grow? It grows on the stem. Very good, Saad. Good job. I am so happy for you. Great. Okay. The second question, what is a leaf? What is a leaf? A leaf is the, yes, Sarah? Great. It's a flat green surface of a plant, right? It's the flat green surface of a plant. Very, very good, Sarah. I'm so happy that you people cooperate with me. You people understands the lesson that we are discussing, and you people do the task correctly. I'm so happy for you. Great. The last one. What causes the green color of the leaf? Remember, we have discussed, and it's there in the book also. Yes, what causes the green color? It says the green color of a leaf is due to a colored substance that is called a chlorophyll. Very good, Saad. Well done. Good job. That means that what did we discuss in the lesson today? We have discussed about different types of leaves, right? We have discussed where a leaf grows, why is its color is green, yes. And again, I'm telling you, class, do watch the Edwell video again. You can go on our website and you can see the videos over there. Watch the videos, like them, so then once you have liked them, those videos will be saved for you, right? And it's going to help you out a lot. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss about the different parts of the leaves. Okay, what are the parts of the leaf, what do you call them, what are their functions, like we have discussed today. Leaves, where do they grow, why they are of green color, and remember the picture that I've shown you, there were different colored leaves also, right? So this also we are going to discuss why the leaves are of different colors, mostly the leaves are of brown and orangish color in autumn time when the leaf starts following. So that is why the color of the leaves changes, because those leaves, you can say, they are dead leaf. They have no life, and so they change their colors and they start following down. The leaves which are of orange, and you have seen the dark brown colored leaves, right? So that is why those leaves are of that color. Otherwise, the leaves are of green color. And where do they grow? They grow on the stem. And you have seen that what is that? Why the leaves are of green color? Because of the substance, colored substance, and that is called chlorophyll. Now, the video which I have shown you, they have in that video you have seen different types of leaves, right? That also we are going to discuss later on. But since this class was introductory, we have just introduced leaves. So next time in the next class, we are going to learn more about leaves, and we are going to discuss the different kinds of leaves, different types of leaves, what are the functions of leaves, right? So do watch the video and do the homework which I'll be posting on portal, and that is all about the topic that we have discussed. That is question number 2, and that is, sorry, question number, yes, 2. That means you have to draw any two types, two colors of leaves. You can draw a green color leaf or an orange color leaf or a brown color leaf, any two colors of leaves, and in your notebook, and write the names, and do write the heading leaves and the date. Okay, children? I think that this homework is not at all difficult. You all will be able to do it yourself. Okay, children? All right. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye bye.